Hello peeps. So today product review is roasted chicken flavored rice. Now, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So 1 cup is basically 3 grams of fat, 390 milligrams of sodium, 42 grams of carbs, which if you're on a low carb diet, this is not for you, or you're diabetic. 1 gram of dietary fibers, 1 gram of sugar, no additional sugars added, and 4 grams of protein. We have 4 milligrams of calcium, 2 milligrams of iron, 9 milligrams of potassium. Okay, so according to these instructions, we are to squeeze the pouch to separate the rice, tear 2 inches to vent, and then put in the microwave for 90 seconds and remove because the package is hot. Oops, can't put my glasses on. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and tear 2 inches, which is roughly about that. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in the microwave, and then I'll be back. And we're going to give it a quick taste test and see what this. You know something? I'm curious what it smells like now. It's weird smell. It almost smells like some byproduct of chicken and something else. I'm assuming there's some fluid in here in order to cook the rice. But let's go ahead and get this started, and let's go ahead and get this taste test. Okay, so we got it, and they wasn't lying. This thing is blazing hot. So here's the package. I'm going to go ahead and pour a little bit of this in here. Just want to get a quick. Let's do a quick taste, quick sniff. It smells like poorly cooked rice. But let's see what it tastes, if it tastes better than it smells. By the look on my face, I'm not impressed at all. This is supposed to be roasted chicken flavor. I'm not particularly impressed. It's doable, but it's not that great tasting because, one, I don't taste a whole lot of the roasted chicken that they claim it's supposed to taste like. And the rice almost feels like it's undercooked. Okay. All right, my review on this. Savory fares, roasted chicken flavored rice. Calories are way too high, and the quality of if it tasted a whole lot better, I would say go for it. But if the taste isn't that great, and you probably would taste better if you mix it with another meal, maybe some chicken breast or some broccoli, and then put it to the side and kind of let all those flavors marinate together. But by itself, it's not that great, and I can't give it no more than maybe a 4, 5 on a good day. It's not. I'm not very impressed with this. I don't. It's. You know, I'm about to cook some broccoli and some chicken breast, and I'm going to add some of this to it and to see if that makes it taste any better. But right now, it doesn't flow with it doesn't roll with the flow. So I'll be back.